love noodles cooked this way. Really, really good. Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking stir-fried spring onion chicken chop and mushroom noodles. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive Local Chinese Delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll marinate our chicken. I have with me over here 2 whole pieces of boneless chicken leg, which I've halved and scored like this. You can do the same. You just need to score the flesh side of the chicken. This is so that the flavor or marinade can get into the chicken much easier. The skin, leave it intact. Marinade, very simple. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, a few dashes of white pepper, and 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Just put it in. Use your hand to massage them in, and we'll leave this to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'll show you how to prepare the sauce for the noodles. Now we're going to prepare the sauce for the noodles. I have with me over here 250 milliliters of water, warm water. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Now this is optional, but I'm using this because it will enhance the flavor. 2.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, as well as a few dashes of white pepper. Mix it up well and set it aside. I've marinated our chicken for approximately half an hour, and before we fry them, I want to coat them with plain flour. This is optional, of course, but this will give the chicken a very light, crispy texture, which I love. Press it down a little bit, turn it to the other side. Move it around a little bit. Just a light coating like this will be good, okay? Continue to do the rest, and I'll show you the next step after this. Now we're going to fry our chicken, but before that we need to flavor our oil first with spring onions. Heat up a wok using medium-low heat. Add in a good amount of oil. It has to be slightly more. Make sure the oil covers the whole base of the wok. I have with me over here 4 whole stems of spring onion, which I halved like this. Just put them all in. Now don't turn the heat up too high, we just need to flavor the oil. We'll fry this until the spring onion is golden brown. If the heat is too high, just reduce it down a little bit. Move them around. Remember, don't turn up the heat too high. You want to slowly extract the flavor from the spring onions. This will take a while. I'll show you how they look like in a while. I've been frying the spring onions for about 1 to 2 minutes, and they're brown like this. We'll now remove them from the oil. You don't have to throw this away, they are actually quite tasty. We can actually have them together with our noodles in a while. Just cook them up. Use a strainer to drain the oil off, like what I'm doing over here. Now we need to heat up the oil first before we put in our chicken. Turn the heat up to medium. We'll heat up the oil first before you add in the chicken. The oil has heated up, and now we'll add in our chicken. Remember, do not crowd your pan. I'm going to add in 2 pieces at a time. Skin side down, shake it a little bit, get rid of the excess flour, and then just put it in like this. Do the same. We'll fry each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, but we'll check every 2 minutes or so that we will not burn our chicken. Do not move the chicken until the crust has formed. I've been frying this for about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Let's just have a look at the skin. Wow, look at how crispy this is. Now we just turn this to the other side first. Same with this. Look at how pretty this is. We'll do the same for this side. I'll see you back in a while. 3 minutes has passed. Let's have a look. Wow, beautiful. Let's just put it on the skin side again, just to get rid of the excess oil. Using your spatula, gently press them down a little bit. We are trying to achieve an even brownness here. Let's just check again. Wow, look at how pretty this is. Okay, 1 more minute on this side, and I think we are done. In case you want to air fry instead of frying them in a pan, you can actually use your air fryer, set at 180 degrees Celsius, 10 minutes per side first, before you turn up to 200 degrees Celsius for another 2 minutes on the skin side up. Okay, another minute has passed. The chicken is beautifully done. We'll remove them from the wok and continue to fry our second batch. Now we'll fry our noodles using medium heat. Heat up your oil. I've removed most of the oil, leaving behind about 2 or 2.5 tablespoons of oil. Try to remove as much residue as possible. Add in 1 whole red onion, sliced thinly like this. About 4 cloves of garlic, chopped. You can also add in the garlic that we used to marinate the chicken just now. Just put them all in. Move them around. Get the flavor out. Once you can start to smell the beautiful flavor coming out from here, we'll add in our shiitake mushroom. I'm adding in 4 pieces of fresh shiitake mushroom, sliced thinly like this. Put everything in. Mix them up. This dish is very delicious. We have protein, we have carbs. Of course, we have mushroom also. Very, very flavorful dish. Okay, once everything has been mixed up well like this and a minute has gone by, we're adding our noodles. I'm adding in 450 grams of yellow noodles. I've rinsed and washed it also. Right, just put everything in. Spread them out a little bit. Right, mix them up well. Once you have mixed them up well, we'll add in our veg. I'm using chaisin over here, 1 big bunch of it. Put everything in. Now we'll add in the sauce that we have made just now. Pour everything in. Mix them up well. And the dish is done when the sauce is almost dry. Now, of course, if you want to use kailan or any other veg of your choice, no problem. You can use your favorite greens. You can also use Nepal cabbage if you like. Now we can turn the heat up to medium-high. Speed up the process a little bit. Right, got everything over here. Very delicious. The veg has wilted, and as you can see, most of the sauce has been absorbed by the noodles. This is going to be a great lunch for me. When it's almost dry like this, we're adding the spring onions that we have fried just now. Just add everything in. This is going to give the flavor another dimension. Mix them up well. Wow, smells really, really good. Alright, the noodles are done. And now we'll cut the chicken up and serve the chicken with the noodles. And it's time for our lunch. Now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, really, really good. Let me try the noodles first. Oh man, I love noodles cooked this way. Oh. Really, really good. Chicken. Oh, I hope you hear the crunch. The crunch on the skin is fantastic. The flavor is just nice. The noodles, wow, the flavor that's coming off from here. I have hint of the spring onion, the onions itself, the mushroom all merged into one. This is really fantastic. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, very good.